Um, Good morning. I'm going to explain you the practices that we made in this week. These practices are made by Cepeda Franco Carlos Manuel and González Ramirez Camila Lisset. We made it in pairs, so we have the both of the practices here. Well, to begin with, I'm going to explain you the first practice, that is a cosmetic arrangement that we made in the practice from the last week. As you can see in my screen, I'm seeing the block diagram, and I made the arrangements that the Miss says. And for example, here, well, as we know, we have the position select in the selection of the images that I have. So having this arrangement here, if we place the front panel, well, as you can see, um, you can have a line that says where's the where is the color of the template that we select in the last practice. For example, as you can see, if I move the this cup, is going to show us where is the color that we made in this image. This one of them, and well, it give us the position here. And for example, okay, there. And for example, if I move it like that, it's going to move. Well, this problem is caused by the light that I have in my room, but it's just uh, have the correct color and it's going to work. And well, that's one of them. And for example, I have the next one here, that is uh, let me just open the file, and I'm going to make it fast. For example, I have it here, and where okay, I'm sorry for that cut in the video, but it's just I was just searching for the image. Well, here, as we can see, this is the original image, where is the little coins, and we have, well, the different sizes and the different colors. Then we first create a color plane extraction, and as we can see, he plays the color in gray, and because we have a grayscale, so we have this kind of video. I'm sorry, this kind of image. We have the change of colors that from this one to this one. Then we place it. Well, as you can see, it's in intensity plane. Just to it's just by click twice, and then I have the tested. And for example, I place it in a range of 225 in this scale, so it will see like that. So we place OK, and we, as you can see, first the color, the white color parts that we have in this image, like you can see here, is going to be in black right now. But for example, if we place it, the other colors that is over the range that we place, that is 225, is going to be like this, like in a red color, and it's going to have this kind of little parts that is in black, but it's just because there is like in the range. It's not in the range. So we have the advanced morphology one, that is give us um, the option to file the holes that we have. For example, in this one we have the holes here, that is parts in black color, but when we fill the holes, we have like this. Is going just to have the color red, and it's going to be in the form of the coin. Then well, we place OK. Then if we place the circle detection that is here in the top of the screen, we're going to have this option to create the radius range. For example, we have the minimum radius that is 16, in 60. For example, if we decrease this one, it's going to change. For example, if one of them is one of them having the radius is going to be out of this scale. For example, no, it's not in this way. If I place it like in 17, 70 is going to change it. For example, in these three circles because there are like less than 30, like 70 of radius. So if we place it again in 60, in 16, 60 is going to have it again. So for example, if I change the maximum radius to, I don't know, maybe 80, it's going to leave these circles that has a radius that is over the 60. I'm sorry, the 80. So it's just these ones that are in the range that we have, that is more than 60 but less than 80. For example, well, I'm going to place it again with the same values that I have. So we have the same. So for example, if I place OK and I open another image, for example this one. For example, no, we have this one, but I'm going to select this one, this image, and I'm going to make the same I'm going to have the same operation that I made in the last image, but for example, as you can see, it gives us the same data, the same, well, the same operation that I have. The circles in red, in the black, the white part that we have in the image is going to be black, as you can see. But for example, if I place it here, I have the radius that are less than 60. So for example, if I place it here, like in, I change it like in 16, and for example here I place it in 20, I'm going to have the radius that are in this range of radius, and that is how this operation works. And this all the and this is all of for my part, and is, well, these are the practices that we have in this week. And well, see you later.